My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yeah. Listen up, folks. If you just started your diet and you have a weakness for a particular food, you need to get it out your house. Someone once told me, if you have food in the house but you have a particular weakness for, just put it in the highest cabinet in the kitchen. Okay, if I want it, I'm gonna get it. That's what they got ladders for, they got chairs for, stools. I know the feeling all too well, folks. When your favorite snack is calling your name, you trying to resist, but the feeling is getting stronger and stronger. Fight it, girl. Fight it. You got goals you trying to reach. You gonna feel good while you're eating it, but once it go down your throat, it's gone, and it went straight to your booty. Building self-discipline for food does not come overnight. It takes weeks, months, or maybe even years for you to build discipline for food. The only way to get self-discipline for food is to have self-control. One way to build self-control is to put yourself in uncomfortable situations with food. For example, a bread basket at a restaurant. You know them always be good. Let everybody eat their bread but you. You just look at it. I promise you, as bad as that sounds, it's a rewarding feeling to have self-control over foods that you love. I want you to know that it is normal to have anxiety or emotions when you are trying to resist unhealthy foods. Something that I like to do when I'm trying to resist temptation, let's just say it's a Monday and I just came off a weekend where I had a bunch of sugars, a bunch of carbs, so my body is still fiending for it. Let's just take a cupcake, for example. Monday, I see the cupcake and I'm like, oh my God, I want some of that cupcake. But I have goals. So what I do is I tell myself my cheat day is not until Sunday. I can do this for 6 days. That cupcake is going to be there in 6 days. Just give yourself positive talk. I know they say that you're not supposed to reward yourself with food, but look at him. I need something to look forward to. Now, if I'm going to eat healthy for 6, 7 days, if I want to look forward to something to eat. As I always say, if dieting was easy, then everybody would do it. Don't just do it for aesthetics. Don't just do it to lose some weight. Do it because it is healthy. Okay, even though that we look good on the outside, how's your body doing on the inside? Put the right foods in your body so you can be healthy for life.